On 19th May in the morning, when I was leaving the house, I thought it would be something boring or some kind of science, math. And when I came here, it was like I entered an entirely different world. It was for the first time where I saw that the teachers were trying to become friends with us. So the thing I learned is to think.
I came to this workshop with I think that I'll learn a lot, and we'll be sitting and writing notes based on science and math and all. Then it was a different experience altogether. I learned that to understand our concepts properly, we need to keep on questioning and doubting, and we need to dig deeper into it. I also learned to observe things minutely, because even the smallest observation can make a difference in how your conclusion of the experiment.
I came to this workshop believing it was a purely knowledge-based course with lot of notes and other things, but the first session itself proved me wrong. When there was history inquiry class, at that time I thought history, oh no, right after lunch. But he made it so interesting. I never knew democracy should be so involving.
मैं ये देख के सरप्राइज हो गई कि थ्रू आउट द डे यहाँ वो लोग इतने एग्जॉस्ट होते हैं, उसके बाद भी उनमें इतनी एनर्जी होती है कि वो रात में भी डिस्कस करते हैं, उस पर थिंक करते हैं. दैट इज अमेजिंग. वो चीज़ आपने यहाँ डेवलप किया है.
He was thrilled with the idea of doing a jigsaw puzzle in a science workshop.
But then today, she told us that even a jigsaw puzzle can have a theory behind it. So we considered the principles, we considered what we can take as true and base other kind of things on it. So I mean, who would have thought a jigsaw puzzle can have a theory? So that was a completely new perspective.
The main agenda here was to teach us how to ask. And out of this has been given the term of inquiry. So inquiry is said to be of different types. It can be mathematical, it can be scientific, it can be theoretical, it can be experimental, n number of types. One of them is scientific inquiry, in which we put small data points which are like the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle. They're just in a big mess in the center of the table, and we have to just make it into a picture. The only difference between science and jigsaw puzzle is, in jigsaw puzzle, we put a picture at the end, a fixed picture. But in science, we've got n number of loopholes, and the more you fill, the more you'll get. We were taught how to ask. We were taught how to actually evaluate everything from all different perspectives possible. And initially we were like, okay, we should look this thing through the lenses of maths and science. But now we're looking it through the lens of philosophy, through the lens of experimental inquiry. So this workshop has taught us a lot, and it has caused a complete rebirth.
If somebody here asks me what my age is, well, I will say I am 5 days old, because I have undergone through such a process that has given my brain just a new dimension to look at, just a new dimension to think.
It will encourage the students to think and ask questions. So that is the thinking capability is required for developing the scientific or whatever way our research and development has been increased. So that is really helping, and I thank all the facilitators for arranging this and doing a very different way of thinking.
Well, it's been a different journey. Like, in a book, every page opens up a new mystery. Every day opened up something new to us. And have you ever heard that a science workshop, you have mindfulness classes in there. We began our day with a beautiful session on mindfulness.
Deep inhaling and exhaling completely, very, very slowly.
This camp was a very thrilling experience and it was really amazing. What we learned is that we should not accept everything that the textbooks or teachers just tell us. We should even question it and go deeper into the subject. We need to observe everything around us very minutely.
And liquid?
Liquid, they have
No.
a
Defined
volume,
volume,
but not a shape.
Yeah.
It's
They have
own
a defined
Definite
volume,
but no shape.
volume.
No
Are you
shape.
saying liquid has no shape or something else? Right?
Shape of the container.
Shape of the container. Okay, okay. Takes up the shape of the container. So let me think of a few examples. Alright, so this is solid. It has its own volume, its own shape. If I take a grain of wheat, it is solid. It has its own shape, its own volume. I take a handful of wheat, it has its own volume. I put it in a glass, it takes shape of the glass. In some other thing. Yeah, that I understand. Each grain is solid, but a handful of grain is liquid. What are you laughing about? Doesn't a handful of wheat take the shape of the container?
From St. Joseph's. Okay, this whole 5-day workshop was the most amazing part of my life.
After coming here, I basically learned many things through the course of this decade, and I've just unlearned everything. And I never questioned the questions themselves.
Science moves only by asking questions. And in that search you will find the more you know, the more you don't know. Doesn't matter whichever area, whether you do science, engineering, medicine or nothing, even if you want to become a good citizen, ask questions, ask questions.
And I've increased my power to ask questions. Like for instance, yesterday, there was this balloon and you just blow air into it and you just leave it. And then you see just going, it goes like this and this. And then I was just thinking that why doesn't the balloon just stay in one place and let the whole air go behind? And your parents are like, why don't you know, it's just air pressure, it just goes in front. I'm like, why? But why does it happen? And then they were like, वो तुझे ही देखना पड़ेगा. The answer in such way that it causes such a discomfort in us. Like, it's like a question only.
None of the lights here are reaching that. That is why it is looking grey, or it is because the color mixing.
No, I think no light to make it. But previously when he was doing the thumb thing, at that time also the same shade was being formed.
See.
Or
Yeah,
this thing.
See.
So it has to be a combination.
It has
of
to be
all
a
the
mixer.
colors.
Yeah, it has to be.
I just got joy from what I've done, and this is something that has really engaged me. For at least 5 days, I think for all of us, we couldn't sleep properly. I guess everyone. And we really enjoyed a lot. We were never feared of asking questions to anyone. You just catch hold of anyone and ask any question. This is what we enjoyed a lot. This is a place where you can stay for the rest of your life and keep asking questions to everyone.
The focus of this workshop was on asking questions to yourself so that you can explore more in any subject, not only in science, but also in maths, in civics, in geography and all the other fields. But one more thing we learned from these people is how to define something, how to express ourselves clearly.
When we have received the teaser mail from you, it happens to be from ISA, Indian Institute of Science. Something has to be science. In my good old days studies, I used to understand that science means it has to be physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, that's all. But when he come back in the first day, I said that where is this science gone? He says that, Papa, I have learned how to introduce self. That I have learned.
I didn't enjoy group discussion a lot before this, but when I came here, I realized the importance of group discussion. It gave us a lot of, the camp was entirely fantastic. The groups were mostly not made by the teachers, they were made by us. But
if we could contribute towards such cause or such, as we said, this needs to propagate towards many other institutes, education institutes and things like that. So I don't know how, probably you would know better, but definitely I think sometime in future would like to contribute to this cause also. Because
the fact is, these people, they are very lucky because they are going through a workshop in which after a workshop, even though they are tired, but their excitement, truly from my heart, I find that I don't know how much they have learned and what they have learned, I will not say that. Because learning is a long process. Coming for 5 days, how much they will retain also is very difficult to say. But this is really a big change for them.
What we have done in these 5 days is to kind of distribute or throw a number of variety of seeds into them. All kinds of things. We don't know which seed will germinate, which seed will grow. Wherever, you are the people who will have to provide the what we call enabling environment for that. They are the ones who are basically responsible for it. That if there are some seeds which are remaining inside them and any one of them sprouts, what we can tell you as facilitators is that each one of them will turn out to be a beautiful tree, whether it is a flowery tree or it is a fruit wala tree.